I'm attorney Carl Barkemeyer, and I defend clients charged with DWI and DUI in Louisiana. My law firm is dedicated to defending clients for DWI in all parts of Louisiana. For over 17 years, I have defended hundreds of clients charged with DWI. Along with the other DUI lawyers in our firm, we have a combined 100 plus years in DUI experience. We know all the ins and outs of providing effective representation for a DWI charge. Over the years, I've given lectures and provided advice to other lawyers on how to defend DWI cases. If you're watching this video right now, you might be looking for the best DWI lawyer because either you've been arrested for DWI or someone close to you has. You probably have a lot of questions and concerns such as, can I drive right now? What'll happen to my driver's license? What if my employer finds out? And will I go to jail? I can help answer all these questions for you and ease your mind about the process ahead. If the arrest was recent, I want you to keep in mind one thing for right now. You have 30 days from the date of arrest to request an administrative hearing to try to get your license back from testing over the limit or refusing the chemical tests. Even if you think you have a bad case, there are many ways I can help minimize the damage. We know how to protect your driver's license, your criminal record, minimize fines and fees, and avoid jail time. Now, I know this is a tough time for you, but I assure you, together, we can get past this. I've represented a lot of clients charged with DWI, and I've seen them all get past it. But we have to make some smart moves now. So if you need the best DUI attorney for your case, give me a call. I'd be happy to help.